Angelina Jolie, actress, director, humanitarian, activist, and mother of 6. Her accomplishments are as impressive as her beauty, but have you ever wondered what lies beneath the glamorous red carpet looks? Jolie is known for her stunning appearances at award shows and premieres, often sporting classic Hollywood glamour complete with bold red lips. But when the cameras aren't rolling and the makeup comes off, does her beauty fade? The answer might surprise you. In her everyday life, Angelina prefers to keep things simple. She's never been one for elaborate makeup routines or girly nights of playing with cosmetics. In fact, she describes herself as a bit of a tomboy at heart. In a 2018 interview with InStyle magazine, Jolie revealed her minimalist approach to beauty. Her makeup kit is far from extensive. She sticks to the basics: one shade of red lipstick, black eyeliner, and mascara. That's it. No contouring, no elaborate eyeshadow palettes, just the essentials. But Jolie's beauty goes beyond skin deep. She shared a valuable lesson from her mother, Markellen Bertrand. Whenever Angelina was upset, her mother would say, "Let me see your soul." This taught her that true beauty comes from within, and no amount of makeup can cover a blank mind or a dark heart. Angelina Jolie's natural beauty is undeniable. Whether she's walking the red carpet in full glamour or going about her day makeup-free, her striking features and inner radiance shine through. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes less really is more when it comes to beauty. In the end, Jolie's minimal approach to makeup and her focus on inner beauty reflect her multifaceted personality. She proves that true beauty isn't about the products you use, but about the life you live and the person you are. Angelina Jolie, with or without makeup, remains one of the most captivating women in the